Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about how are electrons distributed in different cells of first 20 elements. Today we discuss about Bohr-Bury electronic configuration of first 20 elements. Bohr-Bury electronic configuration of first 20 elements. So what is our topic? Bohr-Bury electronic configuration of first 20 elements. Now one by one check it. Hydrogen. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. We should write this like hydrogen atomic number 1. Next, Bohr-Bury electronic configuration and number of electrons. We know that previous class we learned atomic number equal to number of electrons. That's why here atomic number 1, number of electrons also 1. We know that previous class we discussed Bohr's atomic model. The electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular orbit. That means path is called as orbit. So K cell, L cell, M cell, N cell. Here also K, L, M and cell we can draw. So here how many electrons is there? 1 electron. This 1 electron filled in first cell. Remaining cells are empty. That's why leave it. So only we can draw 1 cell. Next, number 2, helium. Atomic number of helium 2. Number of electrons 2. So this is first cell. First cell contain 2 electrons. Here how many electrons? These 2 electrons enter into this cell. Okay. Next, another element. Lithium. Atomic number 3. Number of electrons 3. But here how many electrons is there? There are 3 electrons. But we know that first cell according to Bohr's theory K cell, L cell, M cell, N cell. K cell maximum contain 2 electrons, L cell 8 electrons, M cell 18 electrons, N cell 32 electrons. But here how many electrons is there? There are 3 electrons, 2 electrons filled in first cell. Remaining how many electrons left is there? 1 electron. This 1 electron enter into the L cell. Next, beryllium. Atomic number is 4. Number of electrons. So here how many electrons is there? There are 4 electrons. These 4 electrons have to filled in cells. But we know that K cell maximum containing 2 electrons. So first cell filled 2 electrons. Remaining electrons enter into the next cell. So here out of 4, 2 electrons filled first cell. Remaining electrons enter the next cell. So 4 electrons. Next, fifth element is boron. Atomic number 5. Number of electrons 5. These 5 electrons filled in cells. First cell maximum containing 2 electrons. So out of 5, 2 electrons filled first cell. Remaining electrons enter into the next cell. 1, 2, 3. Total 5 electrons over. Next, sixth element, carbon. Atomic number 6. Number of electrons 6. So these 6 electrons filled in cells. First cell maximum 2 electrons. Remaining electrons enter into the next cell. So out of 6, 2 electrons filled in first cell. Remaining electrons filled in next cell. Second cell 4 electrons. Total 6. Next, another element. Seventh one, nitrogen. Atomic number 7. Number of electrons 7. These 7 electrons filled in cells. First cell 2 electrons. Out of 7, 2 electrons filled in first cell. Remaining electrons filled in second cell. 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, eighth element, oxygen. Atomic number 8. Number of electrons 8. These 8 electrons filled in cells. Out of 8, 2 electrons filled first cell. So remaining 6 electrons filled in second cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, ninth element, fluorine. Atomic number 9. Number of electrons 9. These electrons filled in cells. First cell K cell has 2 electrons only. So out of 9, 2 electrons filled first cell, remaining electrons filled in second cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 9 electrons. Next, 10th element, neon. Atomic number 10. Number of electrons 10. So this 10 electrons filled in cells. Out of 10, first cell filled 2 electrons. So remaining 8 electrons left there. This 8 electrons filled in second cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10 electrons. Next, 11th element, sodium. Atomic number 11. Number of electrons 11. These 11 electrons filled in cells. First cell maximum contain how many electrons? Only 2 electrons. So remaining how many left is there? 11 minus 2, 9. These 9 electrons filled in another cell. So second cell also maximum contain 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 10 electron is there. Out of 11, 10 is there. Remaining 1 electron left. These electrons enter into the next cell, but not this cell. So we know that second cell has maximum 8 electrons only. Third cell filled another electron. Next, 12th one, magnesium. Atomic number 12. Number of electrons 12. These 2 electrons filled in cells. First cell maximum 2 electrons. Second cell maximum 8 electrons. Two plus 8, 10. So remaining how many left is there? 2 electrons. These 2 electrons filled in third cell. Next, 13th element, aluminium. Atomic number 13. Number of electrons 13. So these 13 electrons filled in cells. First cell, second cell, third cell. We know that first cell has maximum 2. Second cell 8 electrons. Two plus 8, 10 electrons. Remaining how many left is there? 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 electrons enter into the another cell. 14. Silicon. Atomic number 14. Number of electrons 14. These 14 electrons in field cells. We know that first cell 2 electrons, second cell 8 electrons, total 10. So how many left is there? 4 electrons. These 4 electrons enter into the last cell. First cell 2, second cell 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So remaining left 4 is there. These 4 electrons enter into the last cell. Next, 15th element, phosphorus. Atomic number. Number of electrons 15. So these 15 electrons filled in cells. We know that maximum number of electrons. First cell 2 electrons. Second cell 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 plus 8 10 electrons over. Remaining how many left is there? 5. 5 electrons enter in this cell. Next, another element, sulfur. Atomic number 16. Number of electrons 16. These 16 electrons filled in different cells. First cell, second cell, third cell. First cell has 2 electrons, so that's why 2 electrons filled. So next second cell 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 2 plus 8 10. So remaining how many left is there? 6 electrons. These 6 electrons enter into the another cell. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Last 4 elements, 17th one, atomic number 17, number of electrons 17. These 17 electrons filled in cells. 1 2 3. First cell containing 2 electrons. So next, maximum this containing 2 electrons only. Remaining electrons enter the next cell. So second cell containing maximum 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 plus 2 10 electrons over. Remaining left is there 7. These 7 electrons enter into the next cell. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next, argon. Atomic number 18. Number of electrons 18. These 18 electrons filled in different cells. So out of 18 electrons, first cell only containing 2 electrons. Second cell 8 electrons. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 plus 8 10 electrons. So remaining how many left is there? 8. 8 electrons filled in third cell. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Next, 19th one, potassium. Atomic number 19. Number of electrons 19. These 19 electrons filled in cells. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here out of 19 electrons, first cell how many electrons maximum? 2 electrons. 2 electrons filled. Second cell maximum 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But here M cell how many maximum third cell containing 18 electrons, but here can hold 8 electrons only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 8, 18 over. Remaining how many electrons left is there? 1 electron. This 1 electron enter into the last cell, but not here. Maximum containing 18 electrons, but it can hold 8 electrons only. That's why 19th electron enter into the 4th cell. Next, last one. Calcium. Atomic number 20. Number of electrons 20. 20 electrons filled in cells. 1, 2, 3, 4 cells. First cell 2. Second cell maximum 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third cell maximum 18, but can hold 8 electrons only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 8, 18 electrons. So out of 28 electrons, 18 electrons filled. Remaining how many left is there? 2 electrons. These 2 electrons enter into the last cell. This is Bohr electronic configuration of first 20 elements. This is the very important topic. So remaining topic next class we discuss. Thank you, students.